the Descendants 4 Queen of Hearts makeup. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. I mean, please. There's gems. Red is, I'm never a big fan of red eye makeup, but we're going to go for it anyway. I have a 7-year-old son. He loves the Descendants. We watched it already. I've got my crown. It's not as tall as hers. I couldn't find one that was tall like that and not a cajillion dollars. But we're going to make this work. I've already done the face. We're just going to start packing some red on there because that's what it looks like. I might put some pink base on. Mateo Beauty. I have a pink base. I don't have a red. I'm just going to put a little bit on the lid there just to help the red pop a little bit more. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cover it all up. I use the Glamlight ICEE palette. Have y'all seen the show yet? It's really cute. I love the singing. I love the dancing. My son loves it. We watch it together. But Rita Ora, she plays the Queen of Hearts. She's much younger than me. I'm old. And she has lovely skin. So I'm trying to make my skin look young and fresh. It literally looks like that red just goes all the way, like right up to the top. It didn't look like it was different shades, but I kind of want to like mix it up just a little bit. And then there's just like gems around it. I don't even think she has lashes on. I have to put on lashes. What's funny is that like I had to explain to my kid who it was. Like he didn't really know. And then I had to put on the old school Alice in Wonderland after so they could see what I was talking about. I'm like, see, there she is. They left her brows just regular, so I just did brown brows. Boring, I know. That's not me. Usually I do colored brows, fun stuff, but you know, it is what it is. We're trying to do this makeup. While doing my research, I found the actual makeup artist's page where he showed the makeup he did, but this looks a little different than the pictures from the movie. Like this looks like it's an actual like sharp point. The gems look different placement, and it's a red lip. In the movie, she had more of a neutral lip. Maybe because of her hair, you couldn't see that point, but I can bring this to a point. That's not a problem. In the movie, see? More of a neutral lip, not a red lip. Looks like the gems are just like on the red, and you can't see that point because of her hair, if there is a point. I don't understand. I don't understand. Was that just for a photo sesh? Maybe that was for the photos. Let's go back to the photo. Crikey, Rita. And Alex. This looks even more different. Does look like there's a little bit of a shimmer, which I enjoy. I want to do a shimmer. We're going to have to just make do with a mix of all three, I guess. We got a lovely red shimmer. I'm just going to put it at the front. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. We've got kind of a light pink shimmer. We're going to do that inner corner. Oh, that's too white. Let's try this one. This is in the Glamlight Michaela palette. Okay, that's more what I'm looking for. Okay, it's time for gems. I've got some red here, some tiny little red ones here. I poured in a thing, and then we're going to use eyelash glue. You just kind of dot it and place it. I've got this little guy to just grab and go. I'm going to do different sizes. I think hers all look like one size, but I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Okay, let me zoom you in. This is where we are. See, I'm trying to do like different sizes, and this is glitter. The gems are very large, and I have hooded eyes, and so it like hangs, so I have to be careful about my placement and sizing. But look at how that glitter just like, I think that looks really cool. I'm just going to keep going around. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here, because on her pictures it's not quite finished. There, it looks like. We're going to keep going with it. I feel like I'm doing okay. Since she didn't have a big giant fake lash on, I'm just going to do like a half lash, just to have like a little something. Ione Halfling. I think we do need a lip liner situation. This is just like a nude at 8, so of course there's food on my face. I forgot to put on blush. I was going for a very muted pink. This is a Burt's Bees. I've had this one for a while. I just need like a little hit, just like a little flush. I gotta do the lip. I got distracted. That's good, right? Okay. Oh, my lips are so chapped. Oh my god. This is not gonna be cute. After this, I just need to get dressed. I feel like this will probably be fine. It was a very matte lip. I would love to do like a glitter gloss and all of the things, but I feel like we're trying to stay true to the look. You know what I mean? Okay, this is it. How's I do? Oh, wait. In the crown. Here we go. Do I look like her? I think I did pretty good. I'm just going to say. I had to fashion a lot of this together. I do have my foo-foo skirt, little tutu skirt, and I put some red hair pieces in. I don't know if I should even tell you what I did. I have cardboard in here, and this is an old costume from when I was a child, and I've taken some tablecloth, like, runner stuff. I think that's what this is. I don't even know. And I've, like, made a shrug out of it and tied it behind my back. And one of my earrings broke. upon arrival. So we have one super glue and hot glue to fix it. It just wouldn't work, so I gave up. So this is the look. How did I do? Are there any other characters you want me to try the makeup for? And thanks for watching. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 makeup mom. Make sure to follow for more fun makeup and beauty videos. Okay, bye.